spaceship with 4 cargo pods, and all of the pods are connected by the same rod. And we also know that the velocity of the spaceship and the pods is the same. They're all moving at 5,000 meters per second, so that's a constant speed, constant velocity, I guess, because they're all moving in the same direction. So that means if there's a constant velocity, that means there's 0 acceleration, which means that the sum of all the forces acting on each pod is 0. And Christina will say, go.
So as you can see, like when you're ranking them, you have it's basically, she said, it's constant velocity, and since it already tells you, since all of them are moving at constant velocity, the net force would essentially be 0 because the acceleration of all of them is equivalent to each other. So when you rank them, it wouldn't be because they're all equal, right?
There would be no ranking.
There would be no ranking. So.
And since the acceleration is 0 and the net force is on each and every pod is 0, that means that, like, for example, pod D and pod C, the force pulling on pod D and pushing on pod C, they're going to be equal. So essentially, the magnitude of the tension in all of the rods is 0.